Number 10. What is the primary reason gas giants like Jupiter cannot support life as we know it? Letter A. They are too close to the sun. Letter B. They lack a solid surface and have hostile atmosphere. Letter C. They have weak gravitational fields. Letter D. They rotate too slowly. Number 11. Why is Earth's tilt important for sustaining life? Letter A. It prevents asteroid collisions. Letter B. It causes volcanic eruptions. Letter C. It creates seasons that regulate climate. Letter D. It increases the strength of gravity. Number 12. Which feature of Earth helps regulate temperature and prevents drastic changes between day and night? Letter A. Its rapid rotation. Letter B. Its moon's gravity. Letter C. Its dense atmosphere. Letter D. Its tectonic activity. Number 13. Unlike Earth, why is Mercury unable to retain an atmosphere? Letter A. It rotates too quickly. Letter B. It is too close to the asteroid belt. Letter C. Its low gravity and high temperature allow gases to escape. Letter D. It is farther from the sun than the earth. Number 14. Which natural process on earth helps recycle carbon and regulate the climate? A. Plate tectonics. Letter B. Solar radiation. Letter C. Moon's gravity. D. Magnetic storms. Number 15. Compared to other planets, Earth's hydrosphere is unique because letter A. It contains large amounts of frozen methane. Letter B. It supports all three states of water: solid, liquid, and gas. Letter C. It only contains liquid water deep underground. Letter D. It evaporates entirely during summer. Number 16. Which of the following is not a reason why life cannot exist on Jupiter? Letter A. Strong radiation. Letter B. Absence of a solid surface. Letter C. Presence of liquid water oceans. Letter D. Extreme atmospheric pressure. Number 17. How does Earth's size contribute to its ability to support life? Letter A. Its small size prevents volcanic activity. Letter B. Its sufficient gravity helps retain an atmosphere. Letter C. Its mass keeps it from rotating. Letter D. Its size causes constant meteor collisions. Number 18. Why can Saturn support life as Earth does? Letter A. It is too close to the Sun. Letter B. It has a very thin atmosphere. Letter C. It is a gas giant with harsh conditions. Letter D. It rotates slower than the Earth. Number 19. Which of the following best explains why Earth is unique in supporting complex ecosystems? Letter A. It has liquid water, oxygen-rich atmosphere, and moderate climate. Letter B. It has the fastest rotation of all planets. Letter C. It has the largest number of moons. Letter D. It is the oldest planet of the solar system. Number 20. Which factor makes the moon different from Earth in terms of habitability? Letter A. The moon has weaker gravity and no atmosphere. Letter B. The moon contains too much oxygen. Letter C. The moon is larger than Earth. Letter D. The moon rotates faster than Earth. The answer key for our Quarter 4 Earth and Space Science Lesson 1. Earth's unique characteristics. Why life thrives here compared to other planets in the solar system. Number 1. Letter B. Balanced mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. Number 2. A. Distance from the sun. Number 3. C. Extreme greenhouse effect and high temperatures. Number 4. B. Protects the planet from the harmful solar radiation. Number 5. Letter C. Oxygen. Number 6. C. Lack of liquid. Number 7. C. Permits the presence of liquid water. Number 8. A. Mars. Number 9. B. Stratosphere. Number 10. B. Lack a solid surface and hostile atmosphere. Number 11. C. Create seasons that regulate climate. Number 12. C. Dense atmosphere. Number 13. C. Low gravity and high temperature allow gases to escape. Number 14. A. Plate tectonics. Number 15. B. Supports all three states of water: solid, liquid, and gas. Number 16. Letter C. Presence of liquid water oceans. Number 7. Letter B. Sufficient gravity helps retain an atmosphere. Number 18. It's letter C. Gas giant with harsh conditions. Number 19. A. Liquid water. Oxygen-rich atmosphere and moderate climate. And number 20. A. The moon has weaker gravity and no atmosphere. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson.